Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share links from Facebook to other people, and it's an easy task to do. Just follow me on here, okay? So here I am currently on my Facebook homepage or newsfeed, whatever you call it. And let's say we want to share this post right here, this very first post. We want to share this to other people. All you need to do is click on the triple dots over there and click on copy link. And now your post or the link has been copied to your clipboard, and you can just paste this anywhere you want and it will be shared to other people. It's that simple. And let's say, what if we want to share this page? Just click on the triple dots again and you'll see the copy link down here. Just paste it to anywhere you want and it will be shared to other people. Then let's say you want to share your profile, your own Facebook account to other people, and just click on the triple dots again and just click on the copy link to send it to other people. It's that simple. That is how you share a link and share it to other people on Facebook. Like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.